Green algae is just a natural spore that grows in the pores of concrete, in stucco, nature's own mess, you might say. Look at here on the steps here. Look at here on the stucco, a real mess. We're going to use a powder today because it states right on here that it's good for stucco, vinyl aluminum siding, exterior shutters, soffit, fascia, gutters, as well as decks, wood, and concrete and asphalt. So all of those ingredients are what we want to do the job. But now for the application. Before we start out with the project, I want to show you a few safety items. Always make sure you get the old rubber boots on because that's going to protect your feet, as well as you might want to put on one of the throwaway uniforms as well to protect your clothes. Rubber gloves and safety goggles, you want to have them always by your side because you want to protect those portions of your body. So we'll just dampen it first with a hose. Always start it with a damp surface. That way when you spray on the cleaning formula, that it can mix with the water and penetrate the surface of the stucco as well as the concrete. In fact, I might just mention, if you're going to pick a real rainy weekend, all that much better because that way nature's taking care of the dampening down. Then all you have to do is spray on the cleaning formula. Spray it so it's good and wet and keep it moist. And as you can see, it's now coming out. Now, some folks have said, well, Shell, I'll use a pressure washer for that. Well, I can assure you folks, a pressure washer will do more damage if not controlled by a professional than anything that will be repaired down the road. Now we can see where there's a little bit of green still left, and what we'll do, we'll reapply and give it a second application. And where the green is now still on the surface, we'll use a wire brush. The algae was really down deep in the pores of the stucco here in the bottom area, so we'll just give it a good steel brushing. Well, there you have it. Look at the difference. All you have to do is make sure you got the right formula, the right product, using the right accessories, and it'll do the job for you.